Right then, so it's been a while, but part 3 of my HGV licence is started already, so I've not really recorded anything. I needed to get the lay of the land with the guys at the training centre to make sure that it had been appropriate. So hopefully when I go back on Monday I could take my camera and get a little bit of stuff, and then I'm having my test on Tuesday morning, so probably an hour's training and then the test. I've already done my CPC, which put the certificate up, which boring but easy, and I've done my reverse manoeuvre, which straightforward again, pretty easy, but you can easily mess it up as well. So hopefully Tuesday I'll be driving this thing and picking George up from school, all being well. But in the meantime I've got a fair bit of training to be doing and I've got my tests, so we'll see how I get on doing that. So, just L&T now, not so sure how much of the footage I've just got from the little drive. So that's the first time I've had the camera in the truck. But a bit of a dodgy one really. I don't think anybody's going to be happy for me to have a camera inside while I'm under instruction, and I definitely can't have a camera anywhere nearby when I'm on a test. So I've already recorded the reverse manoeuvre that you need to do. That's it. Though somebody under test, so I couldn't get the full thing, and I was doing it on my phone because I've not got the GoPro at that point. But yeah, we had a bit of trouble this morning. Got here at 7 o'clock, and my truck was starter motor broken basically. Mechanical problems follow me around. Starter motor. So that was that. So then they managed to get me in last minute for a couple of hours today, and I'm going to come in an hour early tomorrow before my test. So I've got my full sort of hours in there of training, so that should be pretty good. Yeah, happy where everything's going. Passed the reverse test. The other thing that you didn't see on that test, you've got to do a decouple and a recouple, which is basically pull a pin, drive off, reverse back under, use a sort of, I don't know the sort of way it's an acronym, BLACK, which is brakes, legs, air, clip, kingpin, and then you just do it backwards when you're coupling back up. So pretty easy really, and done it a few times at yard already, so it weren't new to me. The reverse manoeuvre itself, pretty straightforward. I've done far worse already at yard, and yeah, happy with that. So yeah, I've done 4 days last week, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, pretty much all morning, 7 o'clock while 11 o'clock, and then going to be 7 while 11 it should have been today, and then it's going to be 7 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock, 10 to 10 sorry, and then we test at 10 to 10 for an hour. So basically should all be good after that. So see how I get on tomorrow. So the next part should be me either very happy or with a story to tell and a bit annoyed, but we'll see. I've only got myself to blame if it all goes wrong, no matter what the instructors what the examiner says or does. So yeah, wish me luck. The other thing I forgot to say, Scott's already passed his test, so if anybody's watched the videos and it looks like me driving, it's not, it's Scott. He's already drove to Croft and drove a bit to Anglesey and done some horrible reversing manoeuvres already, so I'm not looking forward to that part of the driving, but it is what it is. Test day. Note to self, don't eat a dodgy curry or you'll be up all night feeling a bit dodgy. Passed it. So, no problems. 4 minors. I knew exactly what they all were for. as I did it, so it's not a big deal. Main thing, not getting up to speed. That was the big one. So even though wagon was absolutely slow as out, and then once you got up to speed it just wanted to run away. Exhaust brake helped. But yeah, alright otherwise, happy. So now I've got to go and have a look at the V8 Scania, because George kept asking me to come pick him up from school one day, and I thought no better day than the day I've passed my test. But the lads were up till nearly 5 in the morning painting it, because I pulled it in probably a day too late to get it done for today. So I'll go see how tired they all are and what state it's in. I might not be picking him up, but maybe I will. It's not even right colour. I wanted it red. Looks like just about ready.
Thanks, see ya.
See you later, thank you very much.
You're welcome, see ya.
Good night. Go in if you want.
That's super crazy, isn't it?
You gotta climb in. You're on camera though.
Heyo! It's gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube.
YouTube now.
It's double exhaust.
That is a massive.
Yeah,
Big
Ryan,
exhaust.
you've got two exhausts. It's
There's
got
two on
two.
the other side as well.
I wish Zachary could see me in this. He would love it.
Would it?
Is this actually yours?
Yeah.
What about Darkside stickers?
We need to get them on, don't we? It's only just been finished painting today. See, this is an automatic, but it's got a clutch pedal. You've got to put clutch in when you want to stop. Like now, I can just let it out.
Dad, the speed limit's 30.
No, it's a national here, that. So how fast can I go in a wagon?
60.
No, that's in a car.
50.
Yes, good lad.
You can't go on corners.
Can't do 50 right corners, that is for sure.
You'll tip over.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. So have you got your wagon?
I've done it today, passed it.
What did you have to do?
I had to drive for an hour with a mister watching everything I was doing and making sure I was checking the mirrors and did them all. Really tip out.
Yeah.
It's a good job you got your boots to see, isn't it?
Yeah. You're overtaking us because we're going slow.
We're going as fast as this wagon's allowed to go, 50 mile an hour.
If you go any faster, you'll be banned from wagon driving.
Exactly. Imagine that, pass your test,
Then you're banned.
then you're banned. Same day. Why does nobody indicate?
They're only people that indicated. And them.
Drives me mad. Well,
But
they decided to go away. Hey, look at this Scania here, George. Look at this one.
I like these.
Hey, look, we've got wheel spin going on there.
I think wagons look weird without a trailer.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
It looks odd.
What happened if they crash into coppers?
You get in a bit of trouble if you do that, wouldn't you?
This wagon's so slow.
You think it's slow?
Yeah.
It's fast.
180.
That's kilometres. 50 mile an hour. So, What do you reckon to wagging then?
It's alright.
It's alright, is that as much as it is?
Yeah.
Glenn stayed up till 5 and Adam stayed up till 5 this morning. It's alright. Not
I like it.
amazing.
I like it.
You like it?